Okay, so here is a room tour of the All-Star movies, the refurbished rooms. I think all of the rooms have now been refurbished, so that's great. So we walk in, to our right, we actually have a little table that comes with the Murphy bed, so you each have a little table side with the USB plugs and a little shelf too. So you have the kitchen table out if the Murphy bed is not down, but it's super easy. I'm by myself and I can pull it down. And oh, you get Huey, Dewey, and Louie. They're so cute. Aw. So yeah, this is a pretty big bed. I don't know if it's a queen, but it looks to be. If not, it's a full, but pretty close. And you have a refrigerator with a clear window. Coffee maker with the pods, but still good for a value. I don't think there's anything in here. Oh yeah, there is this coffee in here. Oh wow, this is cute. Tea, sugar, cream, everything you need, I guess, and cups. And then this light, I don't know why. So we have drawers down here, pretty big counter, huge TV. Hello. Lots of pillows, jeez. Then you got USB tables next to each side of the bed too. Put the lights on here so you can see this back. Oh, I don't know how to turn that one on. Maybe it's over here. Yeah, just to make it look better. Might as well turn it on. There we go. That looks cute. I like this. Then we have some hooks over here. That's in the closet space in the bathroom with extra pillows and bedding up here. This also closes right here, this door, if you want some privacy. It's kind of hard to pull. But then we have a big sink in here, soap, none of the little bottles of stuff that they give you at the moderates and deluxes, but ironing board, iron, extra toilet paper. There should be, oh, I don't know if there's a hair dryer in this one, but, and this is the toilet room, the extra doors here. There's a lot of doors. Oh, there's a mirror on this one. And there's also this makeup mirror too that has a nice light on it. It's pretty good. And then there's just, towels. See how they have the shampoo, conditioner, and body wash in these now. And then they have standard shower. No removable head on this one, but it's a pretty decent shower head as for a value resort, I would say. So yeah, that's pretty much it. This is the kind of room you get. I think it's pretty spacious for a value, and I think doing these all-star resorts over was definitely a necessity, so it's pretty nice.